Model, 68-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 130, starts runs needs head gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 118,795. MOT, the 28th of April 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, this will start eventually, runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing straight away, engine idles perfectly and sounds good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,350 plus.